Our content objective is I will be able to measure volume using non-standard and standard units of measurement. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're talking about non-standard forms of measurement. Today, I want you to get your whiteboards out. I'm going to have you write down an estimation in just a moment. So have those whiteboards out. You're going to be thinking of a number. Could be any number, okay? But here's your clues. You are going to be thinking how many of a certain object will fit inside here to fill it to the top without going over. Okay, so you want to be the closest to the correct answer without going over. If you go over, then it'll go to the person below. But here's your first clue. How many of our water bottles, which are about 1 liter, will it take to fill the jug? Go ahead and we will press pause here. We'll give everybody a moment to write down their first estimate, and we'll be right back. All right, you should have wrote down your first estimate, but let's see if you might want to change that estimate. We're going to put 1 bottle in there, and let's see where it's at. All right, there you can see is after we put 1 of our bottles in there. So, do you want to change your estimate? Right now is your chance. You're going to go ahead and write what your estimate is. Remember, we don't want to go over because we don't want to miss. So the closest to the brim without going over. All right, write those down, hold them up, put your markers down, no changing your answer. If you've lost your whiteboard or your marker again, then get out your notebook. All right, let's find out how many it takes. I'm gonna set it here and we're gonna fill it up. All right, it took us 8 of those bottles to fill this all the way to the top. Now, what I want you to do, I'm gonna use this same bucket. And now I want you to estimate, write your estimate on there. No changing your estimate. How many of these will it take to fill our regular jug? Write it down, press pause. Once everybody's got it down, we'll start filling it up. All right, did you guess 3? Well, you guessed correct. Now, why do you think it took 8 of these, but it only took 3 of these to fill up our jug? Oh, you thought I was here live with you right now. Well, I'm not. So rather than raise your hand, let's have you shout it out. Why do you think it took 8 of these versus 3 of these to fill the big bucket? I heard some really good answers there. I heard because this one was wider, okay, but look, it's shorter. But yes, it was wider. So when we're looking at our comparison, it might make a little bit of a difference to tell how many of an item it's going to take. So if I look at this, I can see, oh, it is taller, but this one's wider. If this were to be skinnier and taller, would it be taller? Obviously it would be, because there's more mass. There's more place to hold more of the liquid in there. All right, last one, and then you're gonna make some estimations on your homework and submit it. Now you are gonna have probably a few more pages this time. It's okay, we're combining some lessons because these all make sense as just one lesson. How many of this bottle here, which is probably about 1 liter, will it take to fill this? Good luck. Write your estimate, hold your board up, and leave it. All right. Did you put that it took 3 of these to equal 1 of these? Then you are correct. So, good job. Now, on to your homework. Make sure you do your best. read the instructions. If you're not sure what to do, go back and watch this video. Go back and watch the homework explanation video. Make sure you click submit. Have a great rest of your day. In this lesson, you have learned how to estimate using different units of measurement.